The 2008 Dodge Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun with its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6. The Dakota brings you the ultimate midsize pickup. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, child safety locks, tachometer, single disc in-dash CD player, privacy glass, retained accessory power, tire pressure monitoring system. Come see the car for yourself.